think it's getting worse. Almost back to the shop. Ah, there's the little green silo. Yep, about a mile from the shop now. Can't see much though, can you? Can't see nothing that way. You can barely see the transmission line poles. Bet you ain't never seen a blizzard before, have you? Oh yeah. Good old North Dakota. I think March is coming in like a lion. The oil site back there, you can't even see it. About 200 feet off the road. Can't see the radio tower. I think it might be a TV tower. Barely see that. Oofda. Almost back.